5 tips to whiten teeth naturally, home remedies. One baking soda. Baking soda is one of the best ways to whiten your teeth when used carefully. Please keep in mind these suggestions should be used in moderation. Excessive use of baking soda can erode your teeth's natural enamel, which can leave you prone to other issues. Here are some simple, easy ways to use baking soda to whiten your teeth. Try mixing a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with a little bit of toothpaste. Brush your teeth with the gritty mix and do this at least twice a week. Instead of warm water, you can make the mixture with hydrogen peroxide, lemon juice, or even white vinegar. The picture below has some suggestions you can try that we will also mention in this post. 2 orange peels. Orange peels are very effective at removing those dreaded yellow colors from your once pearly white teeth. You can instantly restore your teeth's gorgeous looks by rubbing a fresh orange peel every night before going to sleep. The vitamin C and calcium will go to work right away and fight the chemicals that cause yellow discoloration. Try doing this for a few weeks and notice how much better your teeth look. 3 strawberries. Another big supplier of vitamin C, strawberries also will help your yellow teeth vanish if done properly. Try this concoction to get those pearly whites back. In your blender, grind a few strawberries to make into a thick paste. Gently rub the paste onto your teeth. If you do this every day, twice a day, you will notice in just a few short weeks that your yellow teeth are gone. Just like magic. How is it that for money saving it is much cheaper to buy a box of strawberries for a few dollars than spend hundreds on expensive whitening treatments? Try the other method below in the picture for more positive results. 4 lemons. One of the best ways you can rid your teeth of yellow discoloration is using lemon peels. In fact, it is suggested that gargling with lemon juice and scrubbing your teeth with a lemon peel is one of the most efficient ways to remove yellow marks on your teeth. 5 salt. Salt has been used for hundreds of years and has been proven to be effective in removing yellow plaque marks from teeth. Simply mix regular table salt with some baking soda and very gently rub it on your teeth. Pay extra attention with salt as it can do some damage to your gums and teeth enamel if you brush harshly. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.